Hi guys, today we're in Still a Brainrot for the new Indonesian event, okay? So in the admin abuse, I did get a diamond black hole, a gold black hole go. A job sahur, Alessio, los tungtungsitos, Tito or Relito. This is a new brainrot from the Indonesian event. It's aura. It literally has the aura glass. And we did get a grey Puss Medusi, and I got a Chicla Taylor. I was lucky to get that. Yeah. I can't really show you the event because it's only in like the admin abuse. So I can show you the new brain rots, and we're gonna say bye bye to Yin Yang in 7 days. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna change Yin Yang to spooky, I think. No, because Sammy in the admin abuse, he said there's gonna be a spooky base. We have some new brain rots like this epic. We're just gonna keep going up. And then right next to Los Bombonitos, we have Pakramakramita. It's the girl version of him. And yeah, we have more. Don't worry. We have Bamboo Sahur. We have Kurupuk Pagi Paji. We should have one more. What's down here? Yeah, we have like Tito Uroito. We have one of the best brain rots called MEOWL. It's OG. And we do have Miriatira Bicicletera. And our last one, we have Broom, 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 Broom. We have one more actually. Rang, 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 Bus, Irang. Yeah. We have lots of other stuff. The admin abuse was very cool. Lots of lucky blocks. And the new yin yang going away. So we better say bye-bye to that guy. That Basante of mine, yeah, I'm gonna keep that to Yin Yang. I got some lava stuff. That's pretty good. It's OG weather. LG. It's nice. We can craft stuff in the rich views, okay? That's what we're gonna do now. I might get the bird, but does not matter. We need to get rid of some stuff. We're gonna put this job. Nah. Maybe not now. Probably later when I get some other brain rots, secrets. Yeah. Guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for some new videos. Bye.